Number 3 is R QIDI Technology 3D Printer. Introducing the R QIDI Technology X-PlusⅡ 3D Printer, the ultimate choice for printing with carbon fiber and more. This printer packs a punch with its impressive features, ensuring exceptional printing quality and a delightful user experience. With a max printing temperature of 250 degrees Celsius, it handles PLA, ABS, and TPU effortlessly. Need to go higher? The high-temperature extruder reaches 300 degrees Celsius, perfect for printing nylon, PA12CF, and PC materials. Its double Z-axis driver sets this printer apart, ensuring unparalleled stability and accuracy when printing large models. With a generous print size of 10.6 by 7.9 by 7.9 inches, your creativity knows no bounds. Do you want more filament during lengthy prints? Fear not! The X-Plus has a filament runout sensor that alerts you if the filament depletes. Plus, the printer automatically saves your progress if a power outage occurs, allowing you to resume printing without a hitch. To top it off, the Slicer software version 6.5.1 provides a brighter and more convenient user interface, enhancing your slicing experience. It even boosts print quality by 30% and speed by 20%, making your prints come to life even faster. If you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.